So, my dear ones, as we have a tradition since starting that on Saturdays we have only speaking session. We have no regular classes. So, as it is Sunday today, Saturday today, so your topic is according to you, but there is a limitation. You know, in our country, we enjoy all seasons like summer, like winter, like rainy season. But different people have different likings. It is not so that all people like the all the seasons or all people like winter season, all people like summer season. It is not so. So people have their likings. So some people like winter season, some people like summer season, some people like rainy season, some people like holiday season that also falls in summer. Hmm? But students mostly like summer season. Why? Because there are a lot of holidays, more than 1 month. So this is their favorite season, holiday season. But now it is up to you. I leave upon you that what you like, which season do you like the most. So today this is your topic. So according to
Sir,
your
we have did it
liking or
once.
disliking, you can say that I like this season and why. So what happens in this season if you like this season? That why do you like this season? But so this is the topic for the students of B20 and 21. But for the students of B22, they are free. They are free, not all free. They are free to speak on any topic. They are free to speak upon their mother, their father, about themselves, about their friend, about anyone. But it is mandatory for them to speak. उनके लिए जरूरी है बोलना आज और अटेंडेंस आपकी तभी लगेगी जब आप बोलेंगे. ये नया सिस्टम हमने चालू कर दिया. जो बोलेगा नहीं उसकी एब्सेंट ही लगेगी यार. तो B22 वाले भी घबराए नहीं. ज़्यादा तो मुझे दिखाई नहीं दे रहे. कुछ है तो कोई बात नहीं. जो भी आपको अच्छा लगे जिस टॉपिक पे भी, अपने बारे में, फादर के बारे में, मदर के बारे में, अपने स्कूल के बारे में, अपनी क्लास के बारे में, अपनी फ्रेंड के बारे में, वट एवर यू लाइक, you are free. Only the students of B22, but those who are in the B22 but actually their mother batch is B21 or B20, they are not free. Means they will have to speak on any season. But only the students of B22, those are newest student of our classes, they are free to speak on any topic, but it is necessary for them to speak on any topic. So I think you are ready for it. And please start putting your
Sir,
names in the message box
sir,
so
we
that
have did.
I can start today's session. Yes, come on. What are you saying?
Sir, we have did it once.
Sorry?
We have done it once.
Sorry? Not
We
audible. You are
have
not. Huh?
we have done this topic once.
No, not this topic. Not the top, your favorite topic. But if you have done, you must do it again. Okay? And I
Okay.
have got the name of, first of all, I have got the name of Gaurav. So come on, Gaurav.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, I'm Gaurav and today's topic is my favorite season. So, the most liked season in India and almost the whole world is summer, and I also like the summers because in India there are a lot of holidays, more than 1 month or 1.5 month holidays, particularly in Rajasthan. I know. I don't know about other states. And also there are many tasty things made in this season like ice creams, and also my personal favorite, I will say my personal favorite is papaya shake with ice cream. I like it in summer seasons. And also there are so many functions and marriage in your villages that that it is necessary means it is necessary to go to the village in summer holidays because we have free time, we can learn anything, uh, and I like summer because the holidays are much longer than winters, and there are no holidays in rainy season. That's it. Thank you, sir.
Okay, very good. Shabash. Just come on, Garvit.
Yes, sir. Today my topic is my favorite season. My favorite season is summer. Why is my favorite season? Because summer has lot of holidays
शाबाश.
in India,
धीरे धीरे बोलो तसल्ली से. Very good बेटा. बोल बेटा.
and summer has two month holidays, and we can take any classes in summer holidays like swimming classes, karate classes, online classes, badminton classes, and 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 summer is my favorite season because I eat ice cream in summer, and my favorite juice in summer is mango shake.
चटोरे. हाँ बोल.
A- and I go in summer my village, and summer is my favorite festival. Yes, sir, that's it.
ओके. ठीक है बेटा. शाबाश. बहुत अच्छा. थोड़ा और तसल्ली से बोला करे ना बेटा. हाँ.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Come on, Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshit. Today, my topic is my favorite season. So, as you all know, that there are four seasons: summer, winter, autumn, and spring. And my favorite one is summer because in this we have a lot of holidays, and also we can go to many liked places. Like swimming pools, and there are also many of our favorite foods, and one of them is ice cream, and many of them are like ice cream, school fees, etc., which are our favorite ones. Um these are very in summer there are also advantages but disadvantages too. Like the advantages of summers are like we can stay at our home. We have a lot of time to spend with our family and our relatives and friends. But the disadvantage is there is a lot of use of energy because in summers many people use air conditioner, cooler, fans. In this way, there's a high amount of energy usage, which is not actually true. It is also an impact on the global warming, and it also impact on global warming and many other disadvantage. And the reason why I like this season is because in this we can go to swimming pool, which is my favorite place because here we can enjoy in water, and
Nice. Nice बेटा.
we, we can also do many fun. That's it, sir.
बहुत. शाबाश. Nice flow, यार. Very good, यार. Yes. Come on now. I think Rohit. आ जा बेटा.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you about my favorite season. As you all know, that there are many seasons um, in a year, including the transition seasons. And my favorite season is the winter season. Winter season, because in the winter season we are very delightful to have the sweet and hot dinner at the night. And when in the winters, and we can eat a lot of food because when we in summers because of a lot of heat we cannot eat more food, and we get some diseases like vomiting, food poisoning. But in the winters we can consume more and more food, and that would also be helpful for our health. And in all winters we eat many nutritious food items like some laddus, like we make til ke laddu, which are very useful for our health and improves our health in many ways by improving our immune system. And also we can get ourselves warm at the bonfires in the night, and bonfires are a way to get ourselves warm, and we can also conversate with our family members at that moment, and that also brings the family more close. So every season is best. It is the nature that creates all the season. So we should respect all the seasons. But if everyone has a choice to choose the best season they like. And according to me, winter season I like is the most important season. Also from this, as you know that wheat, the most important crop over of India. Most of the people consume wheat, and in foreign countries also wheat is used to make bread, and bread is a very useful material food item which is consumed in all over the Europe and also in many parts of America. So to get bread, wheat is a very important input, and wheat in the winters only wheat is shown, that is also known as rabi season, where less water is given to the plants, because the plants get a little water from the evaporation from the fog that settles down in the field when sun rises at the noon. And also when and also I like to see the fog in the morning of in the winter season, and I play with my friends luka chupi in the fog, and it is a very happy moment. And at this there is a one bad thing also, that in winters people feel lazy, and they don't want to get out of their blankets and want
बंद कर दे हाँ
want to be in their blankets, and this is a very good thing. We should be in our blankets, because when if we will be out, then we can get many diseases like cold, and these diseases are common in winter season. So I think that it is a very good season, and also many people get some diseases. So we should feel every season alike, and this is a choice that everyone has. So I choose the winter season as the best season. That's it.
शाबाश यार बेटा बहुत अच्छा है तो वोकेबलरी भी
Good
अच्छी
evening,
आने
sir.
लगी तुम्हारे अंदर है गुड इवनिंग बेटा फ्लो तो खैर बहुत अच्छा है ही है शाबाश बेटा वेरी गुड अब नेचुरली
Sir,
तरीके से
अभी
वोकेबलरी भी आने लग जाती है बेटा अपन जब आप आ जाते हैं ना रूटीन में तो वोकेबलरी भी आने लग जाती है अपने आप एक ही
नहीं
दिक्कत
सर,
होती है
अभी भी हैं थोड़ी मिस्टेक्स हैं अभी भी थोड़ी।
अरे आएंगे मिस्टेक तो मेरे अंदर भी होती है मेरे गुरुजी के अंदर भी होती है देखते नहीं हो क्या तुम तो वो परफेक्ट तो कोई भी नहीं है बट इम्प्रूवमेंट हमारे अंदर हो रहा है डे बाई डे इट इज सेटिस्फैक्टरी पोजीशन ओके नेचुरल तरीके से चीजें हो जाती है
नहीं
बेटा
सर, वो
यस
फ्लो में कभी कभी कुछ वर्क फॉर्म में गलत हो जाती है, वो सही करनी है अब।
हो जाएगी फोकस करोगे तो हो जाएगी बस आपको पता है फोकस करोगे तो हो जाएगी कहीं ऐसी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है बेटा है ना बस और थोड़ा फोकस कर लो और बढ़िया हो जाएगा इतना
ओके
यहाँ
सर।
तक आए हो तो और भी जब आपने पहले बढ़िया कर लिया तो आगे क्यों नहीं कर लोगे आप बात तो सीधी सी है ना चलो तो आ जाओ अंजलि फास्ट
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anjali Meena, and my today's topic is favorite season. My favorite season is winters because in winters
आराम
we
से
eat
आराम से सांस ले ले आराम से भगे मत आराम से तसल्ली से बोल बोलो
we eat hot things and eat hot things. We go outside and fog is outside and we play and we we take the fog, but we did not do that in winters. We wear cotton clothes. We wear cotton clothes and wool clothes.
वुलन क्लोथ्स बोल 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 कोई बात नहीं बोल
Woolen clothes. We wear jacket, gloves, and etc.
शाबाश
And cap also. In winters, my birthdays also come. And
वेरी गुड शाबाश यस
and Christmas. On Christmas we eat too many sweets, and on my birthday too. And in winters I like to eat noodles because सर गरम चीज को क्या मतलब नूडल्स जो हॉट हो
Hot
उसको क्या कहेंगे?
noodles, hot noodles.
I my favorite to eat in winter is hot noodles
Hmm.
and in morning outside
Hmm.
on swing.
Hmm. More
On
sentences.
winters I know
Ah.
on winters we I know less holidays come but we enjoy the holidays too much. That's it, sir.
Very. Shabash. Anvi.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My today's topic is my favorite season. सर आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ शक्ल नहीं दिख रही.
सर आवाज नहीं आती ना इसलिए
आवाज आ
बंद
रही है.
कर
हाँ बोल
रखे.
कोई बात नहीं मत दिखा शक्ल आवाज दिखा आवाज बोल.
Hello, everyone. My today's topic is my favorite season. My favorite season is winter season. I like winter season because my birthday comes in winter season.
Hmm.
On winter season, many occasions also come like Janmashtami, Diwali, etc.
Hmm.
There are very few holidays on winter, but sometimes there is very longer holidays on winters because of cold,
Hmm. Hmm.
and we enjoy
Very good. हाँ बोल.
and we enjoy holidays very much because in winters fog in fog we play many things like we can play hide and seek etc. And on winters, people do not like to get up from their beds like me
Hmm. Hmm.
because if you sleep one time, you cannot get up at early.
Hmm. शाबाश शाबाश. बोलती क्या?
I like winter season very much because on winter season we wear woolen clothes or we wear anything on winter season like we wear cotton shirt and we can wear jacket also on it. And on winter season many people give gifts or topics to us because of the occasion,
Hmm.
and we enjoy winter season because there are lot of festivals on it. So that's it.
In it. On it नहीं बेटा शाबाश बेटा बहुत अच्छा बेटा वेरी गुड बेटा शाबाश बहुत अच्छा बेटा वेरी गुड. अब आ जाओ. सुशील.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am student of the Raman on an interactive classes of 16. And today, again, I am here with a new topic that is my favorite season. As you know that we live in India, and India has mainly four seasons that are winter, summer, rainy, and the last is autumn season. Although all seasons have their own importance at their time,
शाबाश बेटा वेरी गुड.
and but I have given chance to speak on my favorite season, that is
तीन गिवन
winter
किया.
season.
बोलो कोई बात नहीं बोलो.
That is winter season. It is my favorite season, and it comes in November and goes in February or March. This season is cold season, so people don't like to wake up early in the morning, and they wish to sleep in their under their blanket, and they enjoy it. And It is my favorite season because many special things comes only in this season. Like there are some vegetables like palak methi, bathua, and carrot, radish, and in fruit I can take apple and apple, banana, papaya, etc. And these all fruits and vegetables are very healthy for our health because these all are full of nutrition and vitamins. So we should be careful for our food, and we can eat in this season any kind of food. It is safe to eat. Like in a summer season, to eat oily food is considered not good, but we can eat oily food in winter season. And as I told that some special festivals comes in this season that are Deepavali and Makar Sankranti, and both are the favorite festival of children and all. Children and it is favorite of students because they get winter holidays in this season for 10 to 15 days, and they use it to enjoy with their family, and some use it in many ways, like some mm, some students use it to learn new skills and to play new games, and some use it to become topper and to learn the techniques of study. So according to me, it is my favorite season, and it is full of many good things. So at last, I want to say that enjoy it. So that's it.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। अब थोड़ा सा वोकेबलरी पे थोड़ा सा और फोकस करना शुरू कर दो बेटा, है ना? और थोड़ा सा, है ना, सुना करो एक बार रिकॉर्डिंग, तो पता चलेगा थोड़ा सा कि हाँ यार कुछ और वर्ड्स भी वी कैन यूज दीज वर्ड्स एट द प्लेस ऑफ दीज वर्ड्स। आ जाएगा, नथिंग, चिंता मत करो। यहाँ तक इतना कर लिया तो फिर आगे क्या है, सब हो जाएगा। यस, कम ऑन कबीर।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Kabir. I'm the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes from batch B18. Today's my topic is the season which I like most. So as we know that there are many seasons in the world, but two main season is winter and summer.
है ना यार, टू मेन सीजन्स आर, थोड़ा ध्यान दे यार भाई।
Two main seasons are winter and summer. I'm an Indian and also a Rajasthani. So I like summer most. In summer, school gives us so many summer vacation in which we do many fun and play.
बंक,
Are fun.
हाँ बोल बोल, सब पता चलता है बेटा, यहाँ पे सब हो जाता है, बोल।
In which we do many fun with our cousins and try to learn new skills to go in academy. We also go in our villages and our nanny's house.
नानी के बहुत जाता है, हाँ आगे बोल।
And
नानी कैसी होती है यार, क्या करे कोई, बोल आगे बोल।
we also with our friends and 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 do cycling with them. In summer, we do many things like we explore new places with our
Very good, nice word. Yes, come on. Very good.
and we We also play with our sisters and spend our most time with our family. We also watch mobile and TV in summer vacation.
Hmm.
We have the most free time to do anything.
Hmm. Hmm.
Summer vacation is a very useful thing for us.
Hmm.
If we use it in a right way, we can do many things in it.
Hmm. Hmm.
So, thank you, sir. That's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड।
Thank you, sir.
तो अब सब प्रैक्टिस की चीजें हैं, अपने आप आती हैं चीजें, अपन फील भी हो रहा होगा आप लोगों को, चीजें नेचुरल तरीके से आती हैं हमारे को, फील भी हो रहा होगा अब आप लोगों को। यस, कम ऑन कोमल।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Bhargava and I am the student of Ramban Online Practice Classes from batch 11 and today our topic is our favorite season and we all know that we have many seasons like winter, summer, rainy season, autumn and spring also and people have own choice on this topic and some people like summer, some people like winter and some people like rainy season also and rainy season is going on nowadays also and we all know that all season are very good and helpful for our in our nature and all seasons are very beautiful looks looks beautiful in our nature and they give many things in the different season and I like winter season very much because there is a good thing and we and that in that season we have no hot days and we can spend our days with in the normal temperature and we don't need uh, cold waters and cold things and we don't need uh, fans, coolers, AC, etc. And we can use light blankets, etc. And in the winter season, we can use and takes many different fruits and greenery vegetables. And
ग्रीन
green
वेजिटेबल्स,
vegetables are very
ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स, हाँ बेटा बोल, कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोल,
okay,
फोकस
sir.
कर, थोड़ा थोड़ा
Green
फोकस, बहुत अच्छा बोल
vegetables
रही है बेटा, हाँ।
Yes, sir. And green vegetables are very helpful for us and in our body also. And with the help of green vegetables, we can take iron and nutrition
हाँ, टेक की
in
नहीं है यहाँ पे,
different
गेट
ways.
ज्यादा अच्छा है, वी कैन गेट, आगे बोल, पढ़ लेना, रिकॉर्डिंग देख
Okay,
लेना,
sir.
समझ में आ जाएगा वर्ड का, हाँ आगे बोल बेटा।
Okay, sir. And we can make til ke laddu and gajar ka halwa and different things. And in the winter season, many festivals are come like Diwali and Makar Sankranti. And we all know that Diwali is also celebrated for 5 days. So it is also very big festival. And we all know that winter season also have advantages and disadvantages because in the advantages we can say that we can take and eat many things and we can um, uh, go to spend our holidays like in that comes our 4 7 days in schools and colleges also and but in the disadvantages, we can say that it is harmful for poor because they have no house for to spend that season and they have no blankets, they have no warm clothes.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड,
So
शाबाश बेटा।
it is not good for poor people. And I think that's it.
वाह यार बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बोलने लग गई यार बेटा, तू तो यार, हैं, शाबाश यार बेटा, यार बड़ा अच्छा लगता है यार जब ये देखते हैं ऐसे, तो वेरी गुड बेटा, कीप इट अप, शाबाश बेटा, मेहनत है बेटा ये तुम लोगों की, है ना, बस प्रैक्टिस करते रहो कैसे भी, हाउ एनी। हाँ बेटा, वैष्णवी आ जाए बेटा।
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Vaishnavi. I'm the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes from B18. And today, again, we have a speaking session. And sir gave us a topic whose name is our favorite season. So I'm telling about my favorite season. My favorite season is rainy season because you can see that in Rajasthan there is less rain in our state and
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, तसल्ली से बोल बेटा, कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं बेटा, है ना बेटा?
there is a less rain in our state and you can see that the the rainy season is going on and and you can see that there is an green environment in our earth and on our earth and we can uh, we can explore any tourist place in the sea like Jal Mahal, Kanak Ghati, Vrindavan, Mathura, etc. And in this season, we can eat dal ki pakodi, gajar ka halwa, etc. Because I love this food so much, and 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 I love this season so much. And there is a relaxation from the summer season, and we feel very relaxed, and especially the birds and animals feel very relaxed from the summer season, and and you know that in India there are many states. There are many states that the rainy season comes, like Kerala, Ooty, Chennai, Karnataka, etc. And, and I love this season so much. Yes, sir. That's it.
वेरी गुड यार बेटा, अच्छा है बेटा, परफॉर्मेंस तेरा भी बेटा, है ना बेटा? थोड़ी रीडिंग बढ़ाओ बेटा अपनी,
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा, रीडिंग बढ़ाओ बेटा थोड़ी सी अपनी, बाकी बढ़िया है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है बेटा, थोड़ी सी रीडिंग बढ़ाओ बेटा अपनी, है ना? न्यूज़पेपर वगैरह आता है घर में इंग्लिश का?
Yes, sir. Times of India आता
मैं
है.
आपको एक बात और बता दूं, मैं आपको एक न्यूज़पेपर रोजाना डालने वाला हूँ, इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स, आप देखना उसको, मैं ऑनलाइन ही डाल दूंगा आपको आपके ग्रुप में, ठीक है ना? आप उसको थोड़ा पढ़ने की आदत डाल दो एक बार, खरीदने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है कहीं से भी, मैं आपको करता हूँ, मैं कल से या परसों से मैं डालना शुरू करता हूँ आपको, है ना?
Yes, sir.
लक्ष्मी,
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ बेटा,
Sir, what is the topic today?
तुम लोगों ने बोलना है, सुना ही नहीं होगा ना, योर फेवरेट सीजन।
Okay, sir.
हाँ बेटा, और बाकी B22 वालों के लिए, B22 के लिए वाट एवर दे लाइक, लेकिन बोलना है, अपने बारे में बोलो, किसी के बारे में बोलो, और बाकी के लिए द सीजन यू लाइक द मोस्ट। और अगर B22 वाले भी बोलना चाहें तो बोल सकते हैं, हमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। यस, कम ऑन लक्ष्मी, बोल बेटा।
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujar. Today our topic is a favorite season according to us. And there are many seasons like autumn, winter, raining season, and summer season. All season have own importance, and my favorite season is summer season. And the government provide us a lot of holidays for the student, and they can enjoy with their families.
शाबाश।
And this season is longest and hottest, where the day is biggest and the night is shortest. And we can eat ice cream, and we like the sound of ice cream in the street, and we can go village, and people can enjoy by eating mangoes, watermelon, sugarcane, a lot of things. And this season is disadvantages for flowers and trees, and in this season we have to sit in front of cooler AC,
Shabash.
and we can enjoy this season to watching TV and phone, and we are free from study, and we can join sports game, and we should wear cotton clothes, and this season is longest, and this season is this season is very good for the rich man, and for the beggar this season is very bad, and this season the sun rises early,
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा,
and
हाँ बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बोलती रहे, हाँ
we can go for a vacation with our families, and we can spend our time with the families, and this season is full of fun and unforgettable memories, and
बोलो धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से, शाबाश, अपने आप आ जाएगा फ्लो, अच्छा बोल रहे बेटा, बोल.
and this season is very good for all, for me. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बस ऐसे कोशिश करते रहो बेटा, है ना. हाँ
Yes.
बहुत बढ़िया है बेटा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. हाँ दोनावत साहब.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Donavat. I am the student of Ramban online interactive classes from B20. Today's our topic is our favorite season. As we all know that there are so many seasons in a year, and my favorite season is summer season. Because government gave so many holidays, about 50 days, and I like summer season. In this season we eat so many things like ice cream, kulfi, etc. And but our teachers give a holiday homework, so we do that homework to give our PT1 exam. And this is my favorite thing in summer season, to do my holiday work and spend my time very nicely, and I do that things which I cannot in my free time.
कैन आई डू, बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटा, शाबाश, बस ये फोकस करके बोलता रहे बेटा.
Yes, sir, that's it.
और अब तो बहुत अच्छा इंप्रूवमेंट हो गया बेटा तेरे अंदर, है ऐसे फोकस सिंसियर हो गया, तू बड़ा हो गया, थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो गया. वेरी गुड, के बेटा, शाबाश बेटा. ये पेन.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Akhil Morar. I am a student of Rambar Interactive Classes. Today my topic name is my favorite season. My favorite season name is summer season. Summer season is very hot season in the world. Summer season is very good season. because summer season I go to Nani house and Daddy house in summer season. Summer season because government give many holidays.
आवाज
Summer
साफ नहीं आ रही
holidays.
इससे मुझे क्या बात है?
Yes,
हाँ बोल.
sir. I eat chocolate cake with ice cream in summer season. I play cricket with my cousins in summer season.
अपना अपना नाम लिख दो. B22 वाले भी लिख दो बेटा. सबको नाम लिखने हैं बेटा. जैसे आएगा उसे बुलाएंगे. हाँ बोल बेटा.
Okay, sir. Summer season, but teachers give many holiday homework,
Many नहीं much.
much holiday homework. My favorite thing in summer season, like my holiday homework.
फोकस कर. फोकस थोड़ा सा फोकस कम हो रहा है तेरा. फोकस.
That's it, sir.
ओके कोई बात नहीं. क्या कोई बात. फोकस क्या कर बेटा. फोकस और डेवलप कर बेटा थोड़ा सा है ना.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
और डेवलप कर बेटा थोड़ा सा. हो जाएगा. चिंता मत कर. सिमरन.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Simran Gujjar. Today's my topic, my favorite season. There are many seasons in India, like autumn, spring, summer, winter, etc. But my favorite season is rainy season because uh, uh, many people's make many dishes like pakodi, bhujia, etc. And many children's make.
पीपल में चिल्ड्रन में कभी ऐसा नहीं लगता. आगे बोलो.
Okay, sir. Many children makes many children make paper boat in this season, and I like colorful umbrellas and raincoat in this season, and um, it is many advantages, and
It has many
it has advantages and disadvantages. Uh, Advantages of rainy season. Most of the population are depended the agriculture.
depends on. Depends on. बोलो आगे बोलो.
Okay, sir. Depends agriculture, and it is most important for the crops, because many crops are depends the rain
On the rain.
and on the rain, and it gives drinking water, and it keeps control. It keeps control of water level the earth, and many farmers are very happy for their crops, and it gives peace and happiness, and
it has many disadvantages. Uh, if 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 it comes continue, then many areas and villages and many cities uh, get gets disconnect
Get
contact
disconnected. हाँ बोल आगे बोल.
disconnected the NDRF and government, and it uh, comes continue, then mm, uh, then are the government uh, or the government announced some days holiday of the schools, and many people cannot go anywhere because the train and many buses and vehicles stopped, and mud and dirty water are spreads everywhere in this season, and uh, so many chances are spread many disease, and so
There are so many chances of spreading diseases. अब सुनना इसको रिकॉर्डिंग में तो समझ में आ जाएगा कैसे होगा.
that's it, sir.
आगे बोलती रहे. हाँ रिकॉर्डिंग इसीलिए करते हैं बेटा. हाँ मैं बीच में इसीलिए तो नहीं बोलता हूँ, बोलना पड़ता है ना कई बार. हो गया इसका पूरा या ये बीच में अटक गई बेटा? पूरा हो गया था या गड़बड़ हो गया था?
सर पूरा तो नहीं हुआ, पर आपने बोला ना आज सुनना, तो मैंने सोचा आपने बोल लिया तो फिर मैंने बोल लिया कि ओके सर ठीक है.
आगे बोल.
But the rainy season always my favorite season because I bath in the rain when comes the rain. Sometimes
डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई.
सर आवाज आ रही है?
आवाज सही नहीं आ रही बेटा.
सर आवाज आ रही है?
बोलती रहे, आ जाएगी अपने आप.
सर दैट्स इट.
ओके कोई बात नहीं. चलो प्रिया आ जाओ. प्रिया.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Priya Meena, and today's our topic is our favorite season. So, there are many seasons in India, like summer, winter, autumn, spring, rainy, etc. And rainy season is one of them. And as we all know very well that rainy season is also going on. So I'm speaking upon it. So rainy season comes in the mid of June, and it stays in the month of June, July, August, and mid of September. And rainy season is very helpful for farmers, and it is a boon. सर उसको आशीर्वाद को क्या बोलते हैं?
ब्लेसिंग. बून भी कह सकते हैं आप.
बून. Yes, sir. It is boon for the farmers because it helps for it helps the farmers for their crop, and because of rain the crop increases, and uh, India is the country where world's most rain happens, and it is also the country uh, where is drought areas, and most of areas are drought and lack of water also. So the government do should run policies for it, and make सर योजनाओं को क्या बोलते हैं पॉलिसीज सर योजनाओं
plans, plans.
and make plans for it, so that the drought areas can be or used can be used for the farming. And now I'm telling the advantages of rainy season. Like the nature is green, and there is greenery in whole environment, and the environment is beautiful, peace, and green. It is very useful for farmers also, and it is the favorite. It is the favorite season of children, because they always
अच्छा ऑफ भी चल जाएगा
they
जो
have,
बोलो.
because they have always waited for this season to take bath and play in the mud, and to make paper boat in this season. I also like this season because I have also wait for this season to bathe in the rain, and also I am scolded by my parents for it,
I am scolded.
but yes, I am scolded by my parents, but I do it sometime secretly also.
Very good.
Yes.
बड़ी हो गई तू अब.
Uh, yes. And the shortage of water is also eliminated in this season, and the the disadvantages of rainy seasons are, the first disadvantage of rainy season is lack of electricity, because of the rain, the electricity is gone, have gone.
Have gone क्यों? Goes. There is power cut कर देना. Because of
Yes,
rain, there is power cut.
yes, sir. And also some network issue because of this season, and uh, there is a flood in many areas, and many states of India also. So because of it, many people are hopeless and houseless also. And in this season there are many diseases like malaria, dengue, fever, cough, etc. And if there is heavy rains, so it may spoil the crop also. So although there are many disadvantages of this season, but still I like this season, and I like to I like to see the rain by drinking tea or coffee, and eating pakoda and bhujia, namkeen, etc. And I like this season. This is my favorite season. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा. Very good बेटा. Nice performance. Keep it up बेटा. Yes, Anuj. दोबारा बोलेगी? ठीक है. Anuj.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and today my topic is my favorite season.
Volume बढ़ाओ. Volume बढ़ाओ.
Yes, sir. So, there are there are majorly four seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. And we all have to suffer from all these seasons, and there is no choice to avoid any one of them. And but we have a choice to choose the best according to us. And my favorite season is monsoon, that is also called as rainy season. You know, every season has its two sides. One is good and second is bad. And when you like something, to you see you see goods in them, in that more than bad. So there are a lot of goods of this season. So in this season there is there is a much greenery everywhere, and the environment is clean. There is less pollution, and there is less dust. And and now it is and now if we see the AQI, air quality index, is about 50, and in winter it goes above 100 or 150. So this is the reason why I like this season the most. And this season uh, this season also makes makes joy for us, because there is rain. So watching rain is a good for us. And there is a rainbow in this season also. And there are some festivals in this season, like Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi, and Tej, Gangor. And in these seasons, four seasons, in these festivals, four festivals have gone, and one Ganesh Chaturthi is about to come. And my favorite festival of this season is Janmashtami. And when there is a communication between Indians, so if there is no food, that means there is no Indian. So monsoon foods are also good, and there in monsoon there is roasted corn, that is called bhutta. And there is a bhujia, and hot foods in the season, and chai.
वेरी गुड. बोलते जाओ, जो मन में है वो बोलो यार. स्पीक
Yes,
इंग्लिश
sir.
एज यू विश. यही है मेरा सबसे बस, जो मन में वो बोलो. हाँ.
And it has its positives and negatives. The positives are like it makes when there is too rain, so it causes floods, and floods may destroy properties and crops, and that is somewhere is bad for us. And there is also negatives. There is also positive stuff. And the positive side of this is that it provides too much to the agriculture. And now it is this season is also going on, and it's been raining since morning today. And that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड बेटा, शाबाश बेटा. बेटा ऐसे बोला कर, मस्त हो गए एकदम, घबराया मत कर। शाबाश। यस कम ऑन अर्शित। सब नेचुरल आता है, स्किल है ये, सब आ जाएगा अपने आप, घबराओ मत। यस कम ऑन अर्शित।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Arshit More, and today's my topic is my favorite season. As we all know very well that it depends on our choice that what is our favorite season according to its characteristics. And according to me, my favorite season is rainy season or monsoon. It is very useful and very nice season according to me. In this season, we can see there is greenery all around us, and wherever we see we can find greenery, and in the greenery we can find a lot of things like many insects are there, and like many birds reside there, and that is very peaceful to look at. And we can also see that in rainy season there is much crop, and due to that crop we can the economy of India or other countries is growing, and we can see in rainy seasons it is very useful for those who are farmers, and also for those who want to do something in their hobby, which is plantation. As my hobby is plantation, so I like this season the most, because in this season I can see my plants growing very well, and they have enough nutrition in this season that they can grow as much better than usual months. So now I have told you the good qualities of rainy season, but it has also bad qualities like other seasons, and everything in the world we would see that there is some bad qualities in everything. So the bad qualities are there is sometimes dirtiness, and we can see that there are many insects and mosquitoes which may hurt us, but uh, these are uh, these are dangerous for us by when we won't take care of it. But if we would take care of it, then it is not a harmful season for us. So that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड यार, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा। और अब तो ऐसे लगता ही नहीं है कि 10 लगता है तुम तो बिल्कुल। वेरी गुड यार, बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो, शाबाश। ऐसे ही बोलते रहो मस्त होकर के, कोई चिंता नहीं है। अक्षित।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am telling on the topic that what is my favorite season. So, as we all know that there are many types of seasons, and it varies according to the climate of any country. And in India, we know that there are all types of seasons, and India comes in one of the countries that have all types of seasons. And so, my favorite season is monsoon, that is also known as rainy season, because we know that everyone has his or her favorite season because of some reasons or characteristics. And so I like this season because there are many advantages of this season, but also some disadvantages of this season. Like but first of all, I'm telling why this season comes. So this season comes in India because the northeast trade winds collect moisture from the southern oceans and come to India, and then it rains in our country. And we know that in this season the temperature is moderate, not so high, not so cold. And and also in this season there is a lot of rain, and farmers get a golden chance in this season to grow crops properly, because they have no issue for getting water. Because in other seasons, sometimes if they do not have the irrigation facilities, they get burden that how will they irrigate their fields. But in this season, natural rainfall comes, and they can grow their crops naturally. And also we know that rainwater has a lot of minerals, so plants also grow much better than other water. And uh, and uh, in this and but there are also some disadvantages of this season, like we know that sometimes there gets much rainfall that we get trouble in going from one place to another. And सर थोड़ा सर वो होता है ना थोड़ा सर गिच पिच टाइप सब उसको क्या बोलते हैं
पॉच पॉच
सर क्या
क्या सेंटेंस बोलो पूरा
सर जैसे सर हमको थोड़ा सर ऐसे वो थोड़ा सीलन टाइप सर वो मॉइस्चर ऐसा लगता
हाँ
है
ऐसे
सर
बोल दो बस
ओके सर बट इन दिस सीजन
वेटनेस कह सकते हो आप उसको
okay sir
गीलापन कह सकते हो हाँ
okay sir there is wetness, so sometimes we get tired of the wetness because we know that uh, we also want dryness in our daily life. And also there is and when it rains water gets filled on the roads and on the ground, so it is difficult for us to travel from that place. And also sometimes some people spread water by going from their vehicles on us, and we get angry. And when it rains much, so farmers also get much problem because not because much rain is not useful for farmers. And sir, that's it.
मोर देन इनफ रेन
Okay
बहुत
sir.
अच्छा बेटा वेरी गुड बेटा बहुत बढ़िया कोशिश करते रहो बेटा ऐसे खुशी गुजर
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone, and good evening to all of you. My name is Kushi Gujar. Today's topic is our favorite topic, and my favorite topic is winter season.
आराम से घबराना मत बिल्कुल भी हाँ
Yes, sir. Winter season is called as season of the year. This season starts in November and ends in February or March during holy
वेरी गुड
festivals.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा ऐसे बोल बस धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से घबराए मत हाँ किसी को कहते हैं बेटा बोलना बोल
It is one of the 4 seasons in the India.
वेरी गुड
In this season, the days are short and nights are long. This season is very cold, so we wear the clothes like jacket, sweater, coat, etc. And we enjoy hot tea and coffee and delicious food.
शाबाश बेटा बस ऐसे धीरे धीरे बोल तसल्ली से घबराना क्या बोल बेटा वेरी गुड
Most of the people remain on their roof for take sunlight. Most of the people like this season. And
कैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं कैसा खाना पीना खाते हैं सोचो थोड़ा फोकस
we make
एक्सप्लोर करो हाँ
yes sir we make different types of vegetables in this season. And in this season different festivals comes like Republic Day
different festivals
are celebrated like Makar Sankranti, Republic Day, Christmas, etc. But sometime this season very harmful for us. Like many people died due to shortage of clothes, woolen clothes, and this season make lazy of people
Of नहीं,
made people lazy due to they don't focus and complete their work, and that is not good. And this season comes with the beginning of farming.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा.
And
धीरे धीरे बोला कर, ऐसे
farmer
जाएगा धीरे धीरे. हाँ बोल.
farmer starts to get ready for new crops, for their new crops, and this season is very pleasant season. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया है, तो बोला कर बस. ज्यादा मत सोचा कर, ज्यादा मत सोचा करो, सुना करो. बोलने के टाइम पे आराम से बोलो. वो सुन, जब कोई दूसरा बोल रहा हो तो कभी कुछ नहीं सुनना है, बस केवल उसको आप ध्यान रखो. आप बस ना बेटा, बस बहुत बढ़िया है. बस ऐसे ही रख, पॉजिटिविटी रख, कॉन्फिडेंस रख. गलत सही की चिंता मत किया कर बेटा. थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस रखा कर अपने अंदर, डरा मत कर, है ना बेटा. हाँ बस यही रहना चाहिए. जैसे भी बोले तू बोल, ऐसी घबराहट नहीं, बिल्कुल भी तसल्ली से बोल, आराम से. क्या घबराना बेटा. हाँ बेटा, आ जा बेटा. खुशी, दूसरी वाली खुशी मीना.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Khushi Meena and today my topic is my favorite season. There are many seasons like winter season, summer season, rainy season. My favorite season is rainy season because I like rain.
शाबाश, तसल्ली से बोलना बेटा, धीरे धीरे बोलना बेटा, कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं करनी बेटा. बोल बेटा.
All children are bath in the rain.
आर क्यों आएगा? थोड़ा फोकस कर जरा सेंटेंस की फ्रेमिंग पे, वर्ब फॉर्म पे फोकस कर. बस बोल, आगे बोल, छोड़ दे उसको, आगे बोल अब बस.
And all the child are enjoyed.
आर क्यों लगेगा बेटा? फोकस कर थोड़ा सा. बी टाइप वर्ब थोड़ी है, फोकस कर ले थोड़ा सा वर्ब फॉर्म पे. हाँ बोल, घबराए मत, बोल आराम से.
We should use umbrella and raincoat and all. We make pakodis with tea.
शाबाश बेटा, ऐसे बोल धीरे धीरे.
Holiday do not come in the rainy season. Many festivals come in the rainy season like Janmashtami, 15 August, Rakshabandhan, etc.
आराम से बोल, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी, आराम से.
In rainy season, jowar and bajra are grown. It start in June.
सही है बिल्कुल, घबराए मत, बोल.
I love rainy season. That's it.
वेरी गुड. घबराती क्यों है तू इतना? है डरती क्यों है इतना तू? जब तक तेरा डरने नहीं लगेगा, डरा मत करे तो तू. और डरने के चक्कर में वो थॉट्स ही चले जाते हैं बेचारे. है बेटा, देख तेरी शक्ल से पता चल रहा है थोड़ा सा ठीक हो गई थी बीच में, फिर पता नहीं क्या हो गया तेरे को. है अभी भी ऐसे घबरा रही है क्यों, किस बात से? 4 लाइनें बोलनी है, 6 लाइनें बोलनी है, यहाँ कौन फेल पास हो रहे हैं? हाँ बेटा, कॉन्फिडेंस रखा कर थोड़ा सा, है ना? हाँ, घबराया मत कर बिल्कुल भी, सही गलत हो जाएगा जो होगा, डरने से नहीं बेटा, है ना? मधु।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Madhu Kumari Meena. Today, my topic is my favorite season. There are many types of seasons like winter, summer, autumn, rainy season, and uh, people like and all seasons uh, are very useful or important for for us and my, my favorite season is winter season because in this season there are many types of there are many festivals and like Diwali, Makar Sankranti, Christmas,
शाबाश बेटा,
etc.
वेरी गुड बेटा, ऐसे बोल ना,
and
सेंटेंस में ले जाओ बस, अच्छा है, वेरी
which,
गुड।
which are the most popular festivals and we enjoy a lot in the on these festivals
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड।
and um, this season comes comes the month of October or November and ends the month of February and or March
इन
mon-
मार्च। हाँ,
in March
आराम से बोल
and
बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बोलते बेटा, बस बोलती रहे बस। हाँ,
yes, sir. Um, these people wear warm clothes like coats, sweater, woolen clothes, etc. And there is fog all around, and um, people 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 light a fire and sit around it and spend time with friends
शाबाश।
and mm, and people uh, farmers grow crops and green vegetables in the season
हाँ,
and
शाबाश, घबराया मत, बोल।
they yes sir we enjoy we enjoy with our family members and in this season people like to eat uh, chai with pakoda and
चाय विद पकोड़ा,
uh,
ईट पकोड़ा विद चाय।
yes
चलो
sir
आगे बोल, छोड़ दो उसको, आगे बोल।
and like to drink hot coffee and in this season uh, children children enjoy their winter holidays and people like to eat green vegetables with bajra roti
शाबाश।
and paratha, aloo paratha, methi paratha, etc.
हाँ, चटोरी है ये भी। हाँ, हाँ,
and mm, in this season, um, all all persons
ऑल पीपल।
नहीं सर नहीं सर ऐसा नहीं
कोई बात नहीं, तेरी मर्जी में बोल।
हाँ yes sir there there may be many health issues in this season. So, so we should take care our health and
बोल 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 तेरे रिकॉर्डिंग में सुन लेना
should yes sir and should eat which food should eat which food save our health and protect our health.
eat the food which save us या which improves our health ऐसे बोलेगा बेटा सुन लेना इसको समझ में आ जाएगा तेरे को आगे बोलना
Okay sir. In this season we take sun rays because they are this good this is good for our health and I like this season. That's it sir.
अरे मजा आ गया तो बढ़िया बोलने लग गई अब तो तू है पार्टी नहीं देगी पर तू है जरी जयपुर तो
Sir,
आई
आ जाओ।
साल भर में ऐसा तो है नहीं कि तू जयपुर नहीं आई होगी कोई बात नहीं बेटा ठीक है हम भी ले ही लेंगे तेरे से चिंता क्यों कर रही है हाँ बहुत बढ़िया बेटा लेकिन अच्छा है परफॉर्मेंस है शाबाश बेटा हिमानी ये
Thank you
नई
sir.
स्टूडेंट है हमारी ये फ्रॉम B22 आ जा बेटा कैमरा चालू कर तेरा
Yes, sir.
आराम से बोल
Good morning.
तेरी मर्जी वो बोल
Good morning to all of you. I am Himani Singh Rajput from Ramban English classes. So today's my topic is my favorite teacher. My favorite teacher's name is Pooja ma'am. She lives in Prem Nagar. She is very nice teacher. She helps me in anything. She helps me in anything in class. She gives motivational speech in class.
बहुत बढ़िया
She motivational speech in class. They explain anything to me and my class students. They explain anything
दे नहीं
to
ही या शी लगाओ पूजा है ना तो शी लगाओ हाँ घबराए मत
she
कोई बात नहीं
explain
घबराए
anything.
मत बोल तू आराम से हाँ
She explain anything to me and my class students. They she is a FFT teacher. She teach FFT from simple formation. She understand my problems. She helping general knowledge also. She work hard.
वेरी गुड शाबाश हाँ बेटा
She's a head teacher of my school. I like my teacher very much. She teaches 90 classes like 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th also. She is very punctual. She loves me very much. She explained me and my class for discipline and doing good work. She likes her mother teacher. She helped me in everything like civics, history, geography, etc. They explain anything like small things of questions and answers. I love me very much because they talk with me peacefully. They talk with me peacefully and
दे है शी आएगा
she talk with me peacefully and she talk with me like a mother teacher. So that's it.
अरे वाह यार बेटा वाह यार शाबाश यार बेटा अभी इसको 1 महीना भी नहीं हुआ पूरा तो 1 तारीख को इसको 1 महीना होगा वेरी गुड बेटा शाबाश बेटा नाइस परफॉर्मेंस कीप इट अप वेरी गुड बेटा यस प्रियंका इज आल्सो न्यू फ्रॉम B22 यस प्रियंका आ जा बेटा
Good evening sir.
Hello guys, my name is Priyanka Jain. Today my topic is my family. My family, I have two family. First, one family is me. Second family, my husband family. Uh, my family members is 4 members.
There
Two
are 4
dogs.
members. There को यूज करो, एजेम को यूज करो
They,
यहाँ पर. हाँ, घबराओ मत, आएगा आएगा. हाँ, इसीलिए तो सिखाया हमने. बोलो.
my family have 4 members.
हाँ.
2 dogs.
हाँ.
Uh,
Dog lover. Okay.
yes.
Carry on, carry on.
My husband family is my family.
Yes, definitely.
Uh,
Obviously, yes. Shabash.
my family's members. My family have 7 members.
Shabash.
My in-laws is very good. My in-laws are very good. They are supporting me.
They support me. They support me. हाँ. बोलो बोलो घबराओ
They
मत.
support me. First supporting me, my husband. And he calls me. That's it, sir.
ये बात नहीं है, हमारे लिए बहुत है, हम करवा लेंगे. अब तो आप चिंता मत करो. ये फर्स्ट टाइम अभी इन्होंने किया है ना. आप सब लोगों को तो पता है. देखो आप लोगों की भी क्या हालत थी जब आप आए थे. तो मैडम ऐसा होता है, घबराना मत, हम करवा लेंगे. आप बस इतना भी कर लोगे तो हम देख लेंगे फिर बाद में. ठीक है ना. कोई चिंता मत करो, हम देख लेंगे. अब तो आपको बुलवा के ही छोड़ेंगे. और बुलवा के क्या बोलने तो लग गए आप, बाकी हम देख लेंगे आपको, है ना. कोई चिंता मत करो. ठीक है. हाँ किरण.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा.
My name is Kiran. Today's my topic is my favorite season. My favorite season is winter season. Winter season is a very beautiful season because winter season is a cold season. People wear warm clothes this season.
In this season.
In this season.
हाँ बेटा आराम से. घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी. घबराओ मत बेटा बिल्कुल भी. जब 2-4 लाइन बोल के जा, कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोल. बस बात खत्म.
People like to take hot tea and coffee.
शाबाश. हाँ.
There are many festivals in winter like Christmas, New Year, Holi, etc.
शाबाश.
It starts in the month of November. We make different vegetables in this season.
अंजलि नाम लिखो अपना. अंजलि सेकंड. अपने बारे में मत बोलना. हाँ बोलो.
Children play games this season.
Very good. शाबाश. बोलते जाओ.
We eat pakoda and tea, paratha, etc. in this season.
अभिजीत ने तो लिख दिया. अंजलि से कह रहा हूँ मैं. अंजलि नाम लिखो अपना. अंजलि सेकंड. बोल बेटा बोल. बोल बेटा.
It comes after rainy season.
शाबाश. ऐसे. Very good बेटा.
My favorite season is winter season. That's it, sir.
आज ऐसे बोला कर तू बस. आज कॉन्फिडेंस डर नहीं दिखा रहा मेरे को आज तेरे चेहरे पे. ये नहीं देखना मेरे को बिल्कुल भी. तू सही बोल, गलत बोल, 2 लाइन बोल, 4 लाइन बोल. डर नहीं नजर आना चाहिए तेरे चेहरे पे. डरना किस बात से बेटा यार. सबसे पहला काम तो ये डर को खत्म करो तुम. कुछ भी बोलो, हम नहीं बोलेंगे. बीच में बोलो और बोलो, पर डरोगे नहीं बिल्कुल भी. ठीक है बेटा. ऐसे बोलना है बस. अपने आप आ जाएगा. डर तो अभी जड़ है ना. हाँ बेटा. अभिजीत आजा बेटा. अभिजीत हाँ आजा बेटा.
Hello everyone. I tell about me. My name is Abhijit Meena. I study in 12th class. I live in Jaipur. I tell my favorite teacher. My favorite teacher name is Devendra Kumawat. He teach physics in my school. He gives knowledge of the world.
ऐसे बोल धीरे धीरे से जल्दी से अरे बात बोलता जा हाँ
He is very punctual man.
आवाज वेरी गुड बहुत बढ़िया वेरी गुड बोलता रहे ऐसे ही
He is honest man.
हाँ ऑनेस्ट मैन और अपने आप ठीक हो जाएगा ऑनेस्टी करते करते अपने आप ऑनेस्ट करने लग जाएगा ऐसी चीजें अपने आप ठीक हो जाती हैं चिंता मत कर तू बोलता जा बस हाँ अपने आप पता चलेगा बेटा आपने कहाँ गलत करे बोल
I tell about my family. My family there are 5 members in my family. I live in Jaipur with my family. That's it,
कोई
sir.
बात नहीं सबके बारे में नहीं अपने एक पे फोकस करना था है ना उसमें फिर थॉट्स अपने को अच्छे कोई बात नहीं लेकिन हो जाएगा घबराए मत तू इतना भी कर लेगा तो हम करवा लेंगे अपने आप को ठीक है ना बेटा बहुत बढ़िया शाबाश और इसके बाद है कल्पना कहाँ है सो गई क्या आजा 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 बेटा कैमरा चालू रहेगा अपना आजा बेटा बोल घबराए मत बिल्कुल बढ़िया बोल आराम से छोटा छोटा सा जो भी तेरे को बोलना हो बोल बच्चा आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटा तेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटा आवाज को ठीक कर तू जब तक मैं बुलाता हूँ तेरे को जब तक मैं अंजलि को बुलाता हूँ आवाज को ठीक कर गया तू चलो अंजू
Yes, sir. My name is Anjali Meena. Today's my topic, my favorite season.
किसी भी टॉपिक
My
पे बोल आराम से
favorite
करेक्ट है
season.
मत एक तो बिल्कुल भी मस्त होके बोल आराम से किसी भी टॉपिक पे बोल चाहे अपने बारे में बोल बेटा बिल्कुल डरना नहीं है आराम से बोल तू हाँ
My favorite season is winter season. It is start November to February. In this season,
अच्छा अपने बारे में
most
बोल छोड़ अपने बारे में बोल अपने बारे में बोल
my name is Anjali Meena. My father's name is Ramkrishan Meena. I live in Jagatpura, Jaipur. I study BA BA first year. I go to college Delhi.
शाबाश बोलती रहे हाँ अपने बारे में बोल अपने फोकस कर अपने बारे में बोल तू छोड़ अब सारा
I am I have 3 sisters and 1 brother. My family members 6 my family members
My family has 6 members. Yeah, there are 6 members in my family. कोई बात नहीं आगे बोलो
sir.
सेल्फ राइटिंग चालू करे तो बंद पड़ी है बहुत दिनों से तेरी रेगुलर हो जाए थोड़ा बेटा है ना आजा कल्पना आजा बेटा कल्पना आजा बेटा आजा कल्पना कनेक्टिविटी नहीं आ रही इसकी बेटा
Yes, sir.
आजा आजा आजा
My name is Kalpana Mehra. Today my topic is my school. My school name is Morning Star Anselm School.
बेटा अपना कैमरा चालू कर बेटा.
क्या हो गया? कैमरा चालू करना.
हाँ बेटा आप बोल बेटा. सामने देख के बोल बेटा. पीछे नहीं देखते बेटा, सामने देखो.
My class teacher name is Renu ma'am.
इधर देख बेटा मेरी तरफ, सामने देख. हाँ ऐसे देख. फोन को तो छोड़ दे, रख दे फोन को.
My class teacher name is Renu ma'am. There are 28 students in my class. There are computer lab in my school. There is a big ground in my school. My school has 5 floors. There are music and dance room in my school.
Very good यार, बहुत बढ़िया, very good. बोल दिया.
There are many games in my schools. My games teacher name is Purnima ma'am. There is a small ground in my school. There are four buses in my school. That's it, sir.
अरे वाह, मजा आ गया. शाबाश, very good बेटा. शाबाश. तो ठीक है, I think all have done. और सबका बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस है. मेहनत करते रहो. ठीक है. Thank you very much.